Hello. I want to clean up some assets, materials and meshes, the skins, the textures, the map. We can leave these for reference. It's always, if you have an anim blueprint that's valuable, just keep it and just let it help you um, until you remember it. We can delete all this stuff. You just need the animations. This is what you do when you download a pack. You get rid of um, this stuff that you don't need, or your projects will be too large. You'll have 40, 50 gigabyte files, 40 or 50 gigabyte files, 60, 70, 80 gigabyte files. If you use free assets which aren't really optimized too much. Okay, what else can we clean up? The weapon pack. We don't need the blueprints, right? Yeah, we don't need the blueprints. We don't need the map. Delete that. Also, anim starter pack. These are weapon animations. I'm sorry, these are gun animations. These are first-person shooter animations. You can delete these. We just need the mannequin. Here's the mannequin. I want to put this in player character. Go to content, right click that. There's this thing called fix up redirect. There's an option called fix up redirectors. Finds referencers to all redirectors in the selected items and resaves them if possible. Then deletes any redirectors that had all the referencers fixed. It deletes the cookies. I can delete this folder if it will delete. It will. Paragon Aurora, just some effects. We're not doing magic in this video. Or we could. I'll leave those for now. We'll decide. If it's not in this one, it'll be just in the next one. I have another video out there with it. It's the RPG level up system. There's magic in that one. I like to keep these short and for whatever, for all of our sake. Okay, so that was audio. She has. Okay, this is all these sounds.
I'll certainly take that.
Okay.
Surprise!
Okay. We don't need the audio. I don't know, maybe we do. I think we're gonna just keep the rest of this. We've cut it down a bit. I'll keep this stuff. It's always good to have some some stuff. There's some cascade particle system. Okay, all right. That was just trimming down the size of our file, of our project file. Thanks a lot. See you in the next one.